It's a few days later, guys, and I just realised I never did an intro. So hi, welcome to a more updated vlog. We're now in September. Well, actually 1st of October is tomorrow. How exciting. The rest of the footage is all from like a couple of days ago. I'm getting a little bit more into a rhythm of filming now, getting back into my momentum, and I really want to start doing like more like makeup videos. So if there's anything in particular you guys want to watch, let me know. I have a couple of one brand tutorials in mind and a couple of product reviews I want to do, but just let me know like what you want to see on YouTube and I'll do that. Or if you want like a quick like flash video that I can do on TikTok, also let me know, because I don't know what you guys want to watch anymore, because it's just been so long since I've been around properly. But I've definitely gotten more into like the rhythm of filming, and I just want to film content that you guys want to see. And hopefully I did an outro to this video, because I haven't gotten that far in the editing process. So let's go back in time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I just want to show you a couple of bits that was sent out to me. I thought maybe we could talk about them. The first one is the new Lifter Your Facelift Hack Sculpture Bronzer or Contour for a Lifted Look. So this is new like sculpted product they have out from Maybelline. I don't know how many shades there are, but they sent me out 4. Obviously they sent me a really dark one, which is not going to match my skin. This is in the shade 85, but they sent me out a couple ones. This one's definitely going to be more of a match for me. This is in the number 65. Then they sent me out these 2 kind of lighter. This one actually might be nice as well for the winter months. This is in number 45, and then they sent me number 30, which is going to be too light. But I don't know that these work as foundations as well, because if they do, this might be a foundation colour. That's what the 4 colours look like. Sorry, it's really hard to probably see them. This is the shade 65. So that's what that one looks like. I think that one is going to be a really nice kind of contour match for me. And then the other one that I thought could be a nice one is 45. Okay, so 45 is really cool. So those 2 definitely. I really like them. Thank you so much, Maybelline. I'll give them a whirl. I also got sent out these perfumes, one from Gucci and one from Marc Jacobs. I love Marc Jacobs perfumes, so I'm going to look at that one in a minute. We'll open the Gucci one first. Okay, so this is what the Gucci one looks like. This is Gucci Flora, and this is the Intense Gorgeous Gardenia. I know I have one of these already and I really like it. So this one is really nice, kind of antique-y kind of packaging. It reminds me of something that would be, no offense, in my nan's. I really like it though. Oh my god, this smells like something that I recognize. Really pretty. It's very floral, obviously. Quite heavy, very nighttime fragrance. I would say a little bit more of a mature fragrance. And it kind of has like a sweet undertone to it as well. It's really nice. Probably a little bit of a heavier perfume. So like I said, nighttime fragrance. But that's really nice. So thank you so much, Gucci. I actually like that, and I tend to not like floral scents. Saying that, I'll just see what this one is from Marc Jacobs. This is the Marc Jacobs Eau de Intense Daisy Wild. Daisy Wild is my favorite perfume. Look at it. Like, I've barely any left. It is one of my absolute favorite scents. Oh my god! Who is it? No, I was overexcited there. Daisy Wild perfume. This is the Intense one. So let's see off the bottom of this. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks very similar, but a little bit more crazy. But it's the same shape bottle. This perfume is incredible if you like kind of a sweet perfume, but slightly floral. I know I just said I don't like floral, but I really do like this. I also love the Daisy Love perfume. And one of my all-time favorite perfumes as well is the Chiali Vanilla. I only just bought a new bottle of this recently. And then obviously my Britney Spears Fantasy perfume. I know I've been wearing it since I was like 12, but I don't care because I still love it to this day. I'll start making like a list of things that need to be done in the house for the week. Dinners and stuff, because it's the best way that I can function. So I think I'm making fajitas tonight. And then I don't know what we're making for the rest of the week. Friday is takeaway night, so that doesn't matter. I need to clean this office thoroughly, like give it a really good once over, because I haven't done that since before the baby was born. And I only did like a crappy kind of midi job. I cleaned every single blind in the house as well before the baby came, and now I'm looking at the blinds in here and they're covered in dust again. Ah, it's uploading. I'm so excited. I'm finally uploading a video. How fun. That is such an achievement for me to upload that video, and I really want to start being consistent with uploading as much as I possibly can, but like once a week should be possible. The baby sleeps in the morning, Noah's back at school. It should be a little bit more easy, especially if I've had a good night's sleep. Now last night was a crappy night's sleep. he woke quite a lot. He wasn't like crying or anything, he just like just be up giggling and laughing and like talking and mooching, and I'm trying to get him back to sleep. And if anybody knows that mooching, you just can't sleep until they're asleep, and then you don't sleep properly anyway, because I'm just afraid of everything when it comes to their sleep when they're this little. I just forgot how scared you are when you're like, are they breathing, are they moving, you know, that kind of thing. I really want to start uploading more regularly. I just miss it a lot, and it gives me kind of something for myself as well. I love YouTube, and I always have, and I always will, and I'll always try and be here. It's just, it's not as consistent as it once was, which makes me sad, but like life is different now to when I did start this. But it kind of, it's like anything, like when there's an end of an era or things change in your life, it is hard to kind of come to terms with it, I guess. Earrings as well from H&M. These really cool ones, they're kind of like spirally. I don't know. I got an order of baby clothes and stuff from H&M, and I ordered myself a pair of earrings, because you can't go wrong with earrings, and at least you know they'll always fit you. Same with shoes, they'll always fit your feet. So I have no problem buying shoes, earrings, jewellery, they'll always fit. I like them earrings, they're really pretty. H&M was like the best place for earrings. I find you can kind of get like quirky ones, different types of ones, the ones that you don't find everywhere and that everyone has. My nails are looking ratchet. I might do them. I have different kind of nails that I've gotten from Amazon. I have this whole set of clear ones, but I don't have any like little sticky things that go on the back of them, so I might just do this set. It's like a nudie pink. There's also these ones that are like a brighter pink, and these are just a bit out there, so I think I might do these ones today. Just as I was going to do my nails, look who's after waking up. Who's awake now? How's your little toesies? Oh, hello. Look at them little feet. How is my little man? How are you? Oh, wakey, wakey, little boy. Yeah, you're not happy. Right, I'm going to take you up. Given out to me because he was like, pick me up, pick me up. This is my beautiful little dark-haired baby. Noah's a blondie and you're very dark. I just forget how precious these little moments are with this new baby. Oh smush, and they smell so good. He's really strong as well, and quite a big boy. Like, he's not even 2 months old, and look how big he is, and he's quite long as well. See there. Oh, what's with the coughing and sneezing? He's just a much bigger baby than Noah was. Noah was so like little petite and stuff. Like, he's wearing clothes that Noah was wearing at nearly like 4 months, and he's wearing them now. I kept an awful lot of Noah's clothes because I just said, like, sure, you never know if you're gonna have a boy or a girl. And I'm so glad I kept them because they all fit him and they look really cute on him as well. Yeah, they do. It was really nice looking at like pictures of Noah in the outfit and then like a picture of him in the outfit, isn't it? Yes. Are you talking to him?
No, I won't put Dolly.
He doesn't like Dolly's chicken. He won't take it. Right, are we ready? We'll go have some lunch. I know I'm hungry and I know baby is starving, so I'm gonna feed him, get my lunch, have it on my lap, and breastfeed him. He's getting quicker though at the feeding now that we're getting a little bit bigger. So it's fajita night tonight. Noah doesn't eat fajitas obviously because they're too spicy. He just doesn't like them, so I've made him some salmon and rice. Hang on, good boy, he's helping. Not dangerous at all. That might be hot, sweetheart. Told you it's hot.
It's okay.
You need mommy's Teflon hands.
This is gonna be salmon, this is gonna be broccoli, this is gonna be rice and gravy here.
But we don't have gravy with fish. It's still gravy with salmon. But you're going to eat that now, and I'm going to finish making
eat this.
I'm also cutting up some cucumbers if you'd like some. Yes.
I eat this. I eat this. I eat.
You're setting the table, by the way, Noah. You did a really good job. Such a good boy.
Can
some
I
fajitas.
get
Yes, sure you can. How do you say that again?
Cucumber.
Very good. Ready for bath time. We're doing porridge bath. They're still nice and soothing, firm, so you can't have a bath in the big bath upstairs. Well, we could do it, but it's just so much effort to put all the porridge in it. I've put makeup on 2 days in a row. Who am I? And I'm also vlogging 2 days in a row. Makeup, I look like Aunt Sally. What's going on here with the cheeks? I got a delivery from Shein. I've been looking for maternity nursing bras and they had the best ones there, and then I kind of got sucked into the website and started ordering different things, but I can't remember what I ordered other than maternity bras. So we'll open it together. So this is the white one and this is what they look like, and they're just really good nursing bras because they have like the little, obviously, clips. They clip down and they have like a little bit of support, and they're not the ugliest bras because nursing bras tend to be horrendous. That's just what the black one looks like. I don't want to get into the ins and outs of Shein. I know it's a shitty website, but they had good nursing bras, so please don't come at me. But I did get this then as well because I bought one on Amazon. They're probably all coming from the same place anyway, but this is not as good as the one from Amazon, but it'll do. It's just a little case for my brushes, and the zip broke on the one that I have from Amazon. The one from Amazon was a lot bigger, but I don't care, it'll hold brushes. And then I also needed a new makeup bag. I saw this one on the website and I don't know what this one's gonna be like. It looks like that on the inside. Cream's probably not the best choice, but it'll do. I was just there yakking away and the camera's turned off, so I don't even know what I last was talking to you guys about. The eyelashes I picked up look like this. Hang on, I'll just open them. I have heard a lot of people talk about these eyelashes before, that they're great clusters. Now, to be honest, I don't have time to do eyelashes, but I just thought I'd pick these up anyway. The glue that comes with the eyelashes. Saw these little earrings. I thought they were quite cute. Little love hearts. And then I got a watch strap for my Apple Watch because I can't find any of them. I'm kind of stuck with the purple theme. These are from Amazon, these covers and stuff. And a pair of socks that look like that. So they are kind of all the bits I got. I think that all came to like under 20 euro or whatever. Free shipping was 25 euro. Yes, I'm gonna put these away now. I'm also gonna put these away. I got these today. Look, I'm just spilling coffee on that. Show you what these are first. First one here is from Pixi. Well, the first 2 things are from Pixi and the other one's from Nars, so I'll show you them. So they sent me out these cute little glow sticks. These are On the Glow Bronze, On the Glow Blush. It's an On the Glow Super Glow. This one's in Juicy. This is the blush. Really, really bright, kind of fluoro orange color. And this one is Gilded Glow. These are these Super Glow. I love these. Gold color. This would be lovely on your body. I've used them on your body and your face, but this particular one I'd say would be really nice. It's like a body glow. Third one is On the Glow Bronze, and this is in Warm Glow. Oh, that kind of looks like a blusher. It's a bronzer though. I'd wear that as a blush. It's kind of like this terracotta almost shade. I don't know if that's showing up there. So thank you so much for those. Pixi, I love Pixi's products. They always send out the nicest things. Then they also sent out this little cute little suitcase. Isn't that so cute? Like a little handle. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 products in it, and these are all travel size. Hence the box. Caffeine and cucumber eye masks, which I love them. They sent out a lip tint. I hear the baby waking up. The other 2 things are the Flawless Beauty Primer and the Hydrating Milky Mist. I love this. I've actually gone through a whole full size of this. This is such a pretty like face mist. I don't know, does it set your makeup, but I just find like it's really nice at giving kind of like a glow to the skin. And then the next products are from Nars. This is the Sea Sun South of France Go Overboard with limited edition collection for the eyes and cheeks and lip. Capture the ease of the coast. Start your golden escape with Nars Hot Escape collection. Oh, the packaging is so cute on this. So this is the first thing that they sent out, and this is the Hot Escape Cheek Palette, and it has 4 shades in it. I love that packaging. That is so cute. Laguna is one of my all-time favorite bronzers. That's it there. It's my favorite bronzer ever. I don't think anything could ever beat it. I use this even as an eyeshadow. It's such an incredible bronzer, just amazing. And then this one's like a highlight in Ophelia. And then we have Above Laguna Bad Behavior Trill. So that's like a really bright fuchsia pink. That's actually a lovely little palette. I think you could use this as like a highlighter. Yeah, definitely a highlighting shade. You're not gonna be able to see that. I'm gonna use these tomorrow, I think, if I get time to do makeup. They're so pretty. It's an Afterglow lip oil. I love the packaging of that, it's so cute. I had to get the baby out of the cot. He was going mad. And then the last two products are these Total Seduction eyeshadows. And I have one in Wired and Sparked. I'll show you them in 1 second. Are you finished? You finished eating? You're not sure?
Look at this. What's
Oh
this?
wow, that's incredible.
No, what?
Okay, I'm watching. Yeah, so that's everything. I'm gonna put those bits away
I
because I
want
want
to
to start.
show you this. It's a lovely
I showed that, but that is very good.
I like this.
Thank you very much. These are what the shadow sticks look like. They're just pens basically, Sparked and Wired. Kind of like a purpley shade, and then this was like a copper color. I don't know if the lighting's the best to show you it. I'm really intrigued by this lip oil, but I am super obsessed with this little quad. I cannot wait to try this out. The other thing that I got is a pair of runners. I'm going to start going walking now that Noah's gone back to school. I'm going to take the baby in the morning and we're going to go for walks, and I picked up a pair of like walking shoes because I went for a walk just down to like my local shopping kind of area, and my ankles were cut off me because the runners were not appropriate, so I bought new ones from Nike. What are you doing?
I'm trying to make this one not come back to me.
Okay, that's brilliant. And then the floor was not working. I am going to go out for a walk now, so I said I'll show you these runners that I got from Nike. They had like a 20% off sale on the Nike website. These are like the first ones that came up that I really liked, so I got them. They just look like that. I know a white runner is probably not the best thing to be out walking in. I'll find out what model these are, make, whatever you want to call it. I'll put it in the description bar below. So I'm going to go for a walk right now with the boys, get out, get some fresh air, and yeah, come home and start dinner. So we're back from the walk, we've had dinner. The baby's asleep, so it's time to get Noah down. I just apply this lip oil that I showed you guys earlier. It's actually really, really nice. I'm going to end the vlog now so I can edit it and hopefully have it up this week. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I still have the other video not rendering, it's uploaded, but I have to do a thumbnail and stuff. So I'm going to do that at some stage tomorrow and have it up for you guys tomorrow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye guys.